How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to review this 16.2 inch digital clock, and it has lots of colors. Now I picked this up to put this on the wall, and it also has a night light, which is just LED strip at the bottom, and so when it's nighttime you can turn that on and you can see easily at nighttime. So in the box you get the light, you also get the two mounting screw bits, whatever they're called. It also comes with a remote. Ta-da! And now I actually need to mention one thing straight off the bat. This remote works with a different LED lighting strip that I have in the room, and so when I change the lighting or something like that, that also changes. So that's a bit annoying because this isn't supposed to be working with that. But I guess they work on the same frequency and all, so well, I guess that's what it is. Anyways, let's talk about the features. We'll look around the clock, and we'll talk about the features. It's got some ventilation. I'll talk about the stuff on the front. Now on the side over here, you have buttons. So you have plus and minus, time set, and the alarm button. It's got two alarms. You can set the alarms up. Yes, but it's only got one button for that, so you can only set up one alarm without the remote. On the back you have the power in. This is just a DC in, and it goes to USB, and you can wind the cable over here. And you also have some bits where you can put the cable in, so when it comes to cable management, whichever way you're going to mount it, it's got the bits over here, so you can route the cable or route the cable through there. On the bottom it has the LED strip, which unfortunately I've not been using because this can get bright enough and it's pretty nice at night time. Okay, that's pretty much it. It's very simple. It's got 4 buttons on the side. You can set the clock up using the buttons, but it's very simple. You won't really be able to change much of anything other than the time, the month, and the date. And the year as well. So that's pretty much it. Let's take a look around the front. So on the front you have the main stuff. So over here you have the day, so Monday, Tuesday, Friday, whatever, all the way down to Sunday. You have PM, AM, and it does also have the 24-hour clock as well as the 12-hour clock. You have the time, the month, the date, and the temperature. Now let's go ahead and look on the remote, and this is what we're going to be using to control this. And this has all the features. Now unfortunately it's battery powered, it's not rechargeable or anything. I think it would have been much better, but I suppose you can get batteries for it. Let's go ahead and take this out and I'll show you which battery it is. Unfortunately it doesn't say much on it. CR2025 3-volt lithium TSO bridge, 3-volt lithium cell, and on the other side it's got nothing on it. So I don't know which size it is. I honestly don't know. I don't know if this thing runs out, obviously we're gonna be pissed. So let's put this back in. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the features. We'll go ahead and set this up. So okay, so we have the buttons over here. You've got alarm 1 set, time set, alarm 2 set, alarm 1 and 2 on and off. We have 24 hours or 12-hour version of the clock. Plus and minus, okay, and the light, which is the light down there, and thus you can use the minus and plus for that to actually change the brightness. I should move it down here and you can see the brightness changes. And this is running all off of USB power, so that's pretty nice. We'll take that down and we can turn the light off. We got a countdown clock thingy, which I'm not going to put on because it stays there for a bit. Now you also have DST, which is auto DST. Now this is daylight saving time. So if you live in the UK, then you can have that on or off. We've got dimmer, which is just the brightness of the watch, which is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, which is off. And then you have auto dim, which doesn't seem to be working. It just goes bright and then it goes dark again, and then it goes bright again, then it goes dark again for some weird reason. Okay, I think it's working now. Oh, wait, no, it's not. There we go. Okay, maybe like, I don't know where the sensor is for it. Yeah, you just, I don't know where the sensor is, but I don't think this works. This is like auto dimming thing, so based on the lighting condition, it should change the brightness, but it's dumb. You turn that off. Now you can change the display colors, you can change the alarm volume, which is up and down, and then also Fahrenheit as well as Celsius, so you can change the temperature reading, and this is the alarm volume. Now I don't use the alarms on this clock, but you have the alarm volume there. So let's go ahead and change the display colors, which is pretty cool. Now this is an LED light, so it's RGB LED. So this is the default. You can have it red, and this is what I use at night time because it's very easy on the eyes. You have green, blue, green. Well, this is just cycling through the colors. It's gone red. It's gone pinkish. Yep. And we have another one which is white, so this is just white, and we have another cycling of the colors, which I believe goes that way. So it goes that way, cycling through the colors. And we also have another cycling of the colors, which is a bit different. I think this goes up, but yeah, if you want that, then you have that here. And back to the default, which is the colorful one. Now this also cycles through the colors, or it does change the colors. Like, I don't know what the heck it's based on, but like it does change the colors. But yeah, that's pretty nice. So there's that. Let's go through the options. We'll go to time set. So this, you can do this on the side of the clock as well. You have the hour, minute, the year, the month, date, and that's pretty much it. Ta-da! So yeah, it's a simple clock, and it's pretty nice. Now, of course, you have the light, which if you mount it on the wall, you can have that, and that's pretty nice. Yes, it does have a built-in timer as well. I mean, that the light is pretty nice actually. It's a bit on the, just a slightly on the warm side, so it's a bit easy on the eyes. But I will say, if you look at it, it's blinding. So yeah, you can have this. There's no diffuser on it, so you know that's what that is. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So it's pretty nice. It's not too big. It's not too small, and it's pretty nice. It's got a decent cable length, but if you do have a big room or a big bedroom, then you might want to get an extension. And it does mount on the wall, so it's pretty nice. I do like it for the price. I think mainly because it's the light is on here. This one costs more, but you can get smaller versions. There's different versions of this light, and it's a decent price. I do like it. It's stylish, very nice. Yeah, oh yeah, that's pretty much it really. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.